Hello everyone, your favorite chef is here and today we're gonna prepare very nice Italian briskets. So stay tuned. First step is to prepare bread. I'm gonna use 2 days old bread just to give that nice crispiness. We're gonna slice it for about 1.5 inch thick. You hear that sound? Yes, that we want, that sound of crispiness because of all old bread. Then we're gonna prepare our dressing. I'm gonna use olive oil, oregano, and chopped garlic. Then you're gonna place bread pieces on a baking paper and drizzle with Italian dressing with olive oil, oregano and garlic. Then we're gonna add our Italian dressing that have olive oil, oregano and garlic inside, and then we're gonna also add a chopped tomato or cherry tomato. Slice it on squares, small squares. Don't rush with drizzling because things need time. If you want to make it good, just do that slowly and gently and everything gonna be perfect, guys, no rush. Then we're gonna place in oven for 250 degrees or 400 Fahrenheit for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you're just gonna decorate with parsley, and that's all, guys. That's for today's recipe. I hope that you enjoy.